Namaskar. Today I am going to perform Virabhadrasana II. Let's do warm up. Step 1. Join both the legs together. Now let's breathe normally in Tadasana position. Slowly lift both the hands straight up to your head. See that your biceps are touching the ears. Stay for some time in this posture. Slowly bring back the hands down. Step 2. Gently lock your hands back. Lift your right leg front up to 90 degree and down. Inhale and exhale. Repeat for 3 times. Switch to left leg. Come to Tadasana. Stand straight with your legs by keeping distance 3 to 4 feet between each other. Inhale and raise both the hands parallel to the ground. As you exhale, turn your toes to the right in such a way your right foot at 90 degree and your left foot at 45 degree. Inhale. Slowly bend your right knee. Keep in mind that the right thigh should be parallel to the ground. Turn your head to right side. Fix your gaze on your right hand. Stay in this position for some time. After this, come to your original standing position and breathe normally. And perform the same steps for left leg. Turn your head to the left. Stay for some time. Slowly come back to Tadasana. Namaskar.